Hey everyone, I'm Misha Agina from Super Quantum, and in this video I will walk you through the steps how to start mining qubitcoins. And first of all, you would need to install the packages which we prepared for you on our website as well as on the GitHub. So the first thing, that packages were designed to be run on Linux. That's why if you're using operating system other than Ubuntu 24.04 LTS, you have to run a virtual machine. So if you are a Windows user, as myself in this case, what you can do, you install a WSL version of Ubuntu. To do that, before we are going to do all the installations, just make sure that you have a video card and it is of within the certain range of the specified versions. So in order to do that, you can go here and type device manager. Then you go to display adapters, and here you can see that here we have a NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3090, and this video card is supported to run qubitcoins. So step number one would be installation of WSL. To do that, we go to Microsoft Store, and here we search for Ubuntu 24.04 LTS, and we click Get. Okay, let's open it. And here we are already have our Ubuntu terminal. I think it's still installing, so it may take some time. Another big step is to install CUDA on WSL. And there are several ways how you can do it. One thing, you can go online to the following website. You can give a inquiry, install CUDA on WSL. And this is the official guide of how it is done. You can just follow the steps here. Another solution I may suggest you is you can go to GPT and there you can give the same question. WSL Ubuntu 24.04. I think it will be more direct response, but just be careful that sometimes GPT may also give you not correct answers. But I think for this inquiries, it works well. All right, let's check what is going on with our okay. So here you will input your login and password. So let's say for this intro, I will have username as super user. And then your password. Retype password again. Okay. So now we would need to install CUDA. For that, it doesn't matter which path you follow of installation. Let's maybe follow the GPT instructions. I think they're more direct. So first you need to do update and upgrade. While it is upgrading and updating, we can go to NVIDIA and download the drivers for CUDA and WSL. So CUDA on Windows subsystem for Linux. Get CUDA driver. Here let's select. Again, it all depends on your computer specifications. So I have GeForce. Here it is 30. I think it is just 3090. Let me just double check. RTX 3090. And this is Windows 11. To see a Windows version, you can also do like system. And it tells you here, it's Windows 11. English, find. Okay, our update and upgrade is already done. So the next thing would be to install the NVIDIA driver. Let's select NVIDIA Studio driver version. Okay, it's in the download folder. Just follow the instructions, follow the step-by-step to do the installation of the driver. After the installation, it is recommended or even required for Windows to restart the system. So that's why let's just follow the protocol. After that, we'll restart it and we'll come back. Okay, so we're back after restarting the computer, which is required for the installation of drivers. And next we proceed to step 3 in this ChatGPT instructions. So we're going to add the NVIDIA package repository to your Ubuntu 24.04 setup. And here are the 2 commands which are suggested by GPT. You can try to copy both of them, but I highly recommend you to go one by one. So we will copy first one, then right click. Ah, all right, so that's because I already installed it. So that command, okay, so basically what I missed is there was this extra symbol in front of it. Okay, now it works. Now we're going to another command, which is sudo mv. Let's just copy it and put it here. Sudo password. And after that, we're going to install the CUDA toolkit. And the way it's done through these 4 commands. Let's just scroll through to make sure that this is the right Ubuntu version. And I think everything else looks fine. You just go one by one. Press enter. Let's do update. And finally install CUDA. While it's installing, we can look at the other 2 steps. One is set up environmental variables. So we're going to add CUDA to the path with these 2 commands, and then we can verify the installation by running this NVIDIA-SMI to check if CUDA is working with your GPU, and check the version to confirm the installation. Alright, CUDA finished its installation. Now we can do a few verifications. So the first one, actually before that, we add CUDA to a path. And the second thing is verifying installation by okay. So this is the driver version, CUDA version, and this is the card I have here. Okay, I don't think we really need an HC version. Okay, so now we're done with the second step of installing CUDA on WSL. Next is to download already pre-built packages of qubitcoin node, qubitcoin wallet CLI, and CPU miner. They are already located on the superquantum website, so to do that we will just go to superquantum.io. In the next videos I will explain how to build your own packages. So here you have already pre-built files, so we will just download them all, save. All right, it may take a little bit to wait while they will appear into the downloads folder. Meanwhile, you can either set you can mount the downloads folder from Windows to WSL, sorry, or you can directly copy from C drive to WSL storage, to WSL home folder. All right, so I'll show you the version of copying those files. So just to make sure that they're here, you can just go to download, and here are the 3 files which you would need. Then what we'll do, we will use the command of copying them from the downloads folder. This is cp mount c. This is the regular location of the downloads folder. You need to change here the, instead of ARDP as I put here, you need to put the your username here. All right, they're already in downloads, and probably don't need that. Yeah, we need to say, okay, which files are we copying? qubitcoin D, for example, and then we will place it into the home folder. If we do the list, so we have the executable for the node, and then we repeat the same for the wallet and for the miner. Okay, make sure that all the executables are here, and they need to be recognized as executable files, so here they're highlighted with the green color. Now, before launching them, you would also need to install a couple of packages. There could be more packages you need to install. Just if you run them, the computer will throw an error and just address it by installing those missing parts. So we already know that libevent and libzmq are missing. So in order to install those packages, you need to do sudo apt update. installing package lib event. Now libzmq5. Alright, I think we're all set for deploying the node. So to do that, we would run it in the following way. Then the name of the node executable should be qubitcoin. Then RPC user, RPC password set as test. Specify the binding port. So it's any address with a port 42069. And you'll also need to specify the node you're connecting to. Currently, we have a primary node which is specified by its IP address and the port. So we're connecting to that primary node. IP addresses of the current one is 73.47.180.210, and then the port is 42069. And I also like to add reindex, so it will print out the information on loading the mode and previous information about the previous blocks. Yeah, this prints the reindex for prior mine blocks. There are 3,534 of them. And now we will leave this terminal open. So this is the terminal for node to run. Open another terminal to run a wallet, to load a wallet. So now we are launching the wallet. Similar commands, sudo / RPC user test, RPC password, test, create wallet. And here we need to write the name of the wallet, which will be stored in the wallet folder. So here we'll set super wallet 1. Okay, this is the name of the created wallet. Now let's get the wallet address, which we'll use in the miner. If it's a new wallet, then you need to ask for a new address. Okay, remember this address. Yeah, it's a good idea to save it in somewhere. Now we'll load this wallet. Actually, it's already loaded. This is just in case when you would like to change the wallets, like for example to another wallet you created, like Super Wallet 2. So then in this case you can use this command. And final thing is to launch the miner. And here add the address of the wallet. Where you're going to get the awards for the mine blocks. It should be 50 qubit coins for each mine block. Okay, congratulations. Now you deploy the miner and it started to work. So it says here that now the 536 block is being mined. And here is the how long it's going to take to mine with a hash of 1.4 thousand hash per second, and it's going to take like about 10 minutes. And this miner or this computer mines with this 816 hash per second. So this is the node you're running. This is the miner terminal, and you can also check your coins by get balance. So let's just copy this thing. So you see we still have 0 qubit coins, but overall here it says that the block 536 was solved. Now it's mined 37, and when you get a chance to mine that block, then you will get the change in the qubit coins mined. So in order to stop the process, you just use Ctrl+C. So for example, to stop the miner, Ctrl+C. To stop the node, Ctrl+C. And that is all.